Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your event recap post using Canva and LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Select Create a design from the dashboard. Choose Instagram post or a format suited for LinkedIn. Use the search bar to find event recap templates. Browse through the available templates and select one that resonates with your event's theme. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. Customize the text by clicking on the text boxes. Replace the placeholder text with a summary of your event. Add key highlights, speaker quotes, and important statistics from the event. Adjust the font style and size to ensure readability. Incorporate your branding by adding your logo and using your brand colors. Use images from your event for a personal touch. To upload images, click on the Uploads tab and drag your files into the editor. Arrange images and text in a visually appealing layout. Once satisfied, click on the Download button at the top right corner. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPG. Download the recap post to your device. Now, head over to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account. Go to the home page and locate the Start a Post box. Click on it to open the post editor. Upload the event recap image you just created. Write a compelling caption summarizing your event. Include relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Tag speakers and attendees for improved engagement. Review your post for accuracy and clarity. Once ready, click Post to share your recap with your network. Monitor engagement on your post by checking comments and likes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.